Hey, so I want to mention a crappy vendor out there. It's the guy that's selling the belt drives for the upgraded TRXs or XRTs. I'm sorry, and good enough guy, whatever. But if I had the belt to show you, you'd understand. You can see that I did everything right. I followed all the videos he had up, and then when I asked him for replacement belt for what happened, because I mean the inside of the belt was ripped from the outside of the belt by the motor, and it was crap. So I've taken it off, even though it's got this nice thick shaft. It should be good, but I don't know if I got a bad belt or what. But he's like, I'll give you 10% off another belt. Not enough, dude. And then 2 weeks later, he released a video saying that he's got a solution for the problems his drive's been causing. And it's changing your screws that hold down your gear plate, changing them to tip the bolts down on the bottom, so it actually bolts the plate to hold the drive shaft intact, and I think that's a great idea. Consider it, and also, I want to go belt drive again. It made a great sound. It seems like a cool thing, but that was my experience. Bye-bye.